The excitement surrounding Leica's next premium compact camera is growing rapidly, and if the latest rumors prove accurate, photographers could be looking at one of the biggest upgrades the Q series has ever received. Leica has built its reputation by taking a slow and deliberate approach to product development, focusing on craftsmanship and long-term quality rather than chasing yearly trends. That philosophy has earned the brand a loyal following, and now all eyes are on what could be the upcoming Leica Q4. Unlike many camera launches that promise only a handful of small improvements, the leaks surrounding the Q4 suggest a much more ambitious leap forward. Reports from various sources hint at major advancements in image quality, autofocus performance, stabilization, video recording, and overall usability. If even a portion of these claims turns out to be true, the Q4 could become one of the most desirable fixed-lens cameras ever created. The biggest talking point is undoubtedly the sensor. The current Leica Q3 already impressed photographers with its 60-megapixel full-frame sensor, but rumors suggest the Q4 could push that figure even higher. Some reports mention around 64 megapixels, while more ambitious speculation hints at an even larger resolution. However, the real story is not simply about adding more megapixels. A next-generation sensor would likely deliver cleaner files, improved dynamic range, richer colors, and noticeably better low-light performance. That means photographers could capture more detail and shadows, preserve highlights more effectively, and enjoy greater flexibility when editing their images later. Powering this new sensor is expected to be an upgraded image processor capable of handling larger files while maintaining fast performance. Faster processing could improve burst shooting, reduce image buffering, and allow the camera to perform more efficiently in demanding shooting situations. Leica's signature color science is also expected to receive further refinement, continuing the brand's reputation for producing images with natural tones and a timeless character straight out of the camera. Autofocus has long been one area where Leica users hoped for further improvements, and this is where the rumored Q4 could make a dramatic difference. Leaks point toward an advanced AI-driven autofocus system capable of recognizing people, eyes, faces, animals, and even full-body subjects with impressive accuracy. Reliable subject tracking would make the camera much more capable for street photography, documentary work, travel, and everyday shooting where moments happen in an instant. A smarter autofocus system would allow photographers to spend less time worrying about focus and more time concentrating on composition. Another feature generating considerable excitement is the possible addition of 5-axis in-body image stabilization. If introduced, it would be the first time this technology appears in the Q series. Combined with the optical stabilization already built into Leica's famous Summilux lens, handheld photography in low-light environments could become easier than ever. It would also significantly improve handheld video recording by producing smoother footage without requiring additional stabilization equipment. Video capabilities may also receive a substantial upgrade. Leica cameras have traditionally focused on photography first, but the rumored specifications suggest the Q4 could become a much stronger hybrid camera. Reports mention support for high-resolution video recording, including advanced 8K capabilities and smooth 4K recording at higher frame rates. There is also speculation about the inclusion of a professional logarithmic color profile, giving filmmakers much greater flexibility when color grading their footage. Combined with enhanced stabilization, these features could make the Q4 an appealing option for creators who regularly switch between photography and video production. Connectivity is also expected to improve, making it easier to integrate the camera into modern workflows. Faster wireless technology, updated Bluetooth, and USB-C connectivity could simplify file transfers, remote shooting, and content sharing, helping photographers move images quickly from camera to computer or mobile devices. One of the most interesting discussions within the Leica community revolves around the lens. The iconic 28mm Summilux has become synonymous with the Q series, offering a versatile field of view suitable for travel, architecture, landscapes, environmental portraits, and street photography. While many photographers hope Leica continues with this classic lens, others would welcome additional focal length options, such as 35mm. Some rumors even suggest Leica could expand the lineup by introducing multiple versions, giving photographers more flexibility while preserving the identity of the Q series. In terms of design, major changes appear unlikely. Leica is expected to maintain the elegant, minimalist styling that has defined the Q lineup from the beginning. Instead of reinventing the appearance, the company will likely focus on practical improvements such as stronger weather sealing, a sharper electronic viewfinder, an improved tilting touchscreen, and possibly dual memory card slots, adding convenience for professionals who require instant file backups during important assignments. Naturally, all of these upgrades would come with a premium price tag. Industry speculation places the camera somewhere between $6,000 and $7,000, positioning it firmly in the luxury camera segment. While that price will certainly place it beyond the reach of many buyers, Leica has never aimed to compete on affordability. Instead, the company focuses on delivering an exceptional shooting experience, outstanding build quality, and equipment that retains its value for many years. If these rumors become reality, the Leica Q4 could appeal to professionals, travel photographers, documentary storytellers, street photographers, and passionate enthusiasts who appreciate simplicity without compromising image quality. It may not be the ideal choice for photographers who require zoom lenses or long telephoto reach, but for those who value a compact full-frame camera with premium optics and uncompromising performance, the Q4 has the potential to become one of the most exciting camera releases in recent years. Until Leica makes everything official, these remain rumors, but the growing excitement suggests this camera could be well worth the wait.